Hey, what's going on? Bobby Las Vegas presents the Luxor Las Vegas Hotel Review. I'm going to take you through this property, check the casino, check the room, take a look at the pool, and at the end, we're going to find out should you pay and stay or stay away. The Luxor Hotel and Casino, named after an Egyptian city. However, the Luxor as we know it consists of the pyramid and two towers. The Luxor was opened for business in 1993, has been renovated many times. It has 30 floors, little over 4,400 rooms, including 442 suites. The original concept was to be a family-oriented property to compete with places like Treasure Island, Circus, etc. However, over the years, the focus has shifted away from being a family-friendly place to being a price-wise value spot for Las Vegas. However, many people are not in favor due to its location. I find this property works well for those that love Vegas but don't like the hectic nature of Center Strip. Now, the Luxor is connected to Mandalay Bay and the Excalibur. You can move about, stay busy without even going outside. The Luxor is walking distance from the Allegiant Stadium. Therefore, for concerts and sporting events, this is where you want to stay. The Luxor has a handful of restaurants to enjoy. Mexican cuisine, you have Diablos Cantina. Sports bar and grill, you have the Public House. They also have a diner vibe with the Pyramid Cafe. And for those that love steak, they have Tender. The Luxor is one of the few places that still have a buffet to enjoy. And also, for those that want to keep it simple, they also have a food court providing pizza, subs, and burgers. I dropped the link in the description of my time at the Diablos Cantina, Pyramid Cafe, and the Public House. Alright, let's check out the room. Now, like most basic rooms in Las Vegas, the first room you're going to encounter is the bathroom. So as you can see, clean, nothing special, old style, single shower, no tub. Got the toilet, simple sink, full mirror, no backlight. Simple bathroom. Now, as we walk into the bedroom, full length mirror, slightly worn. It is what it is. Now, as we proceed, we have the dresser entertainment area. As you can see, we made ourselves comfortable with our own provisions. Nice size flat screen TV. Then we have the armoire closet. As you can see, has the basics: ironing board, ample amount of hangers. Then we have the two chairs, little table in the middle. Then we have a desk area, and then we have the two queen beds. Now this is one of the renovated rooms. like the color pattern on the wall. Now let's check the view out. Now it is definitely strip-ish. You know, that is Las Vegas Boulevard. I mean, of course, you can't see further down. But you also do have a good look at the airport. This is your basic pyramid room, 12th floor. Not bad at all. Alright, now the Luxor pool has 4 large sections stretching almost 126,000 square feet. Lots of sun, not much shade. I know that some hotels might have a building blocking some of the sun here and there, but at the Luxor, the pool faces to the west with no obstructions. So with the lack of shade, of course you can get a cabana, day bed, something like that. But with the reflection from the also from the pyramid, there is plenty of sun till the sun sets. In conclusion, I like the overall vibe of the Luxor. I understand it's a bit off the beaten path, but I don't see that as a bad thing. Overall, the rooms were decent and clean. There's plenty of food options. The room rates work with every budget, as low as the $40 range during the week, as much as $400 on the weekend. So, when it comes to the Luxor, I have no problem to pay and stay again. So please, like and subscribe to see more of our reviews of Vegas properties. Until then, have a great one.